Nothing contributes more and faster to achieving a state of food security in the country than sufficiency in affordable rice. Hence, the President and House Solons are agreed to revise parts of the rice tariffication law so government can have a hand to keep rice prices under control. As we hear more from our Meleles Moras.
Several House leaders commended President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. for his plan to certify the proposed amendment to the rice tariffication law as urgent to bring down rice prices in the country. According to House Speaker Martin Romualdez, this is a critical step forward to improve the livelihood of our local farmers and ensure food security for all Filipinos. For his part, House Deputy Speaker J.J. Suarez couldn't agree more.
Ramdam po natin na isa sa mga pangunahing hamon na hinaharap ng ating mga kababayan ay yung patuloy na pagtaas ng presyo ng bilihin. And amending the rice tariffication law is one sure step that we can have more competitive prices for Filipinos.
Gagawin natin lahat lalo pag sinertify ito ng ating Presidente na urgent, tatapusin na ito bago magka-CND. We also urge our friends in the Senate to take the lead in the Senate to pass the similar amendments para mapaaga itong initiative, yung napakagandang programa.
Earlier today, the House leadership met with Agriculture Secretary Francisco Chu Laurel Jr. and other DA officials to discuss the issue. As they work hand in hand, Speaker Romualdez announced the House of Representatives and Agriculture Department are committed to working together to achieve the ambitious goal of reducing the price of rice to below 30 pesos per kilo in certain parts of the country starting in July.
Gagawin po natin lahat. Yun po ang goal natin na aagahan natin yung pagbaba ng presyo ng bigas. Swerte naman din tayo kay lahat ng ibang mga commodities na gaya ng manok, itlog, asukal, lahat ng ibang mga commodities bumabagsak na yung presyo at sa abot kaya ng lahat. Dati, sir, nakatali yung kamay ng DA and NFA due to yung certain laws that we have existing. So meron tayong pinababago sa batas at hopefully ma-pass ng Congress ito para mabigyan ng leeway na mag-intervene ng DA and NFA sa issue sa bigas.
But while waiting for this, Speaker Romualdez said they will continue launching government's one-stop shop service to consumers' caravan, namely the Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair. This time around, the caravan heads to 3 more provinces in Mindanao.
This is just to show that doon sa binitawang pangako ng ating Pangulo na walang maiiwan, talagang pinakikita niyang walang maiiwan. At lahat ng serbisyo at programa ng ating pamahalaan ay mararamdaman ng lahat na nangangailangan.
That's a very clear and indicative sign that the President really puts Mindanao part of this of his priority during ito pong term niya.
Meleles Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.